Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode we are going to make patlıcan sarma kebab, rolled eggplant kebab. Despite having many traditional Turkish eggplant recipes on my channel, with its look and taste, this will be our new favorite at home. Let's make it. I'm gonna begin by cutting my eggplants. First take out the stems and partially peel them. Next I'm going to thinly slice, as you can see. To take out the bitterness and soften a little bit, I'm gonna soak them in warm salty water. About half an hour to 1 hour will be enough, and to sink them you can simply place a big plate on top of it. Next, using a food processor, I'm gonna make the köfte kebab mixture. I have one big onion, cut it into 4 pieces, and about 3 slices of stale bread. Going to process them first. If you don't have food processor, you can grate the onions and soak the bread pieces in some water and then crumble it. Next, along with 400 grams of ground beef, I added 1 teaspoon salt and black pepper, and again about 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. Adding handful of chopped parsley from the freezer, you can add fresh. About 3 tablespoons olive oil and same amount, let's say 4 tablespoons water. Give it a nice mix. And here, to give it an extra taste and a kebab flavor, I decided to add a half capia pepper, red pepper, so to cut it easily I take out some of the mixture. If you're gonna use, it is better to mix them first with the onion and the bread. Mix everything well, along with 1 teaspoon tomato paste. After processing, I mixed a little bit until everything is incorporated. It should be a little bit wet and soft, so you can add more water if needed, and here it is ready. I'm gonna pat dry my eggplants. If you want, you can fry them, but grilling is a great alternative and it really makes it delicious. And I think it's easier too. I'm using cast iron pan, just lightly used vegetable oil. It is heated on medium high, and the trick to cook it in a short time is to press with a grill press if you have. Another heavy pan can work too, like a panini maker, and it cooks it like in 20-30 seconds. Then turn it over and cook the other side. You can lightly drizzle oil when needed. And as you can see, they are soft now. They can bend over and it's ready. So I continue to cook until I finish them all. It would be better to sprinkle salt in every batch to perfectly season the eggplants. Before I begin to shape my rolled eggplant kebab, I'm gonna make the tomato paste sauce. I just sauteed about 2 full tablespoons tomato paste in some olive oil, roughly chopped 2 garlic, and going to add about 1.5 cups of water. Cook until it boils, add some salt if needed, and it's ready. Just drizzle to the bottom of the pan about half of the sauce and we are ready to shape. Get 1 eggplant slices and get about a tablespoonful of minced meat mixture. Roll it like this and get the second one, do the same. Continue to spread from the mixture and wrap around to build the kebab. After a time, I transferred the eggplant kebab to the baking dish and continue to wrap the other pieces. You can use a medium-sized deep dish round pan, a baking dish, but I wanted to use this one, so I shaped it accordingly. The mixtures and the eggplant slices perfectly filled my pan. I had little bit left on the side, so I filled it with tomato slices and green peppers. Pour over the rest of the tomato sauce. If it got cold while you are shaping, you can reheat it and bake the rolled eggplant kebab in preheated 200 Celsius degree oven. Mine took for about 40-45 minutes. You can check from the eggplants. If it is soft, it's done. I served it with rice pilav with orzo pasta. The kebab smelled so delicious with all the ingredients, vegetables, minced meat and eggplants. Give it a try. And I have many other eggplant recipes. Probably I haven't counted, like 20-30 dishes maybe. So check the links down below for more. Please don't forget to like, share and comment my videos if you enjoy the content. And I hope to see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.